Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Tango account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now go to account option. Here you can see the delete account option. Tap on it. Here you'll have to select a reason for deleting your account. Then tap on delete account option. And if you're sure, click on confirm account deletion option. So that is how you can delete your Tango account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.